We got our new Tick Performance shifter handle mounted here on our Ultimate Race transmission. So this is a 4-speed transmission with 5th and 6th blocked off inside the transmission, but of course our shifter will work for all 6 gears plus reverse. Just take a look. We're in neutral, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Hey, this is Jesse Kaiser and Matt Goins with Tick Performance, and we are here to talk about the brand new F-body shifter. I'm really excited about this. So all American-made components, so that's something that we've been stressing this time of year. We have now switched all of our manufacturing over, that all of our raw materials coming only from America, correct?
That's correct. Everything's coming from US-based mills now.
Right on. So we're really excited about that. We're not only American-made, but our parts are American-made through and through. So this is a billet piece, but why don't you talk about it a little bit?
Yeah, so it's, as everyone knows, we do a lot of T-56 and Tremec transmissions, and we have for a long time. We've been in the shifting game for a long time with our master cylinders. With our new capabilities here, it just feels right to get into the shifting department as well. We've made several different versions over the past couple of months, trying to get exactly what we want, and we finally came up with something that we're happy with. Cool.
And so this is, I know that's one thing that you guys have stressed. So you've been through a bunch of different springs and different components. So the internal bits are what we would consider like a bearing grade?
Correct. The pivot itself and also the piece that it rides on are bearing grade steel.
Great. And so these will last a lifetime, right?
That's right.
Are we offering a lifetime warranty on this?
We actually are offering a limited lifetime warranty on these shifters.
Right on. Another thing I noticed that is not there with every other shifter on the market, but these are rebuildable.
They are rebuildable, 100%. It's pretty simple to do, so if you ever do have any problems out of it, or if it starts shifting tight or anything like that, it is something that we can replace pretty cost effectively too.
Cool. One thing that I know you get really excited about that I like a lot is this is an O-ring groove, so no more of that messy silicone.
That's right. I can't stand seeing shifters just piled on with glue. You have to pry them off with pry bars, and it's just a nightmare. It's messy. It's awful. You know, O-ring technology's been around for a long time, so I don't understand why it's not used more commonly and stuff like this. So you know, we decided that we wanted to use it on ours.
Right on. And just to clarify the application of these, so this is a 4-bolt specifically designed for F-bodies only. So we're looking at T-56s and the Magnum F.
Correct. It's made to bolt to an F-body style tail housing. We will make different adapters, which this one is specific to the F-body. That's what makes it work with the F-body car, with the console itself. But we are going to make multiple adapters to accommodate swap applications in the near future.
Cool. All right, but for right now, we're doing this F-body shifter. It is a short throw shifter. We have been testing it on our Grubworm, right?
We have, and Jonathan owns another car that he has. It's a street car, and we've had one in that a couple of times now. Actually, a couple of the versions have been in that car. We've put some street miles on it to test it out in that car, and we're pretty happy with the results. Yeah, so the base plate is made of 6061 T6 aluminum, as well as the adapter ring. The pivot points are made out of, again, bearing grade steel. The threaded shifter stick is made out of stainless steel, and our offset lever is made out of 6061 aluminum as well. And it includes stainless hardware.
Great. And what of these components are not made in-house?
The bolts and the washers.
That's awesome. And it comes with lifetime grease, so as we mentioned, it's rebuildable, but you should never really need to rebuild it.
Correct. It comes with lifetime grease. It's very, very, very durable. So if you can imagine a wheel bearing in a car, that's a steel-on-steel contact point with lifetime grease. And this is the same scenario, except it's not turning 80 miles an hour down the interstate for 300,000 miles. It's simply shifting back and forth into gear.
Right on. So we've been definitely overkill on all of these components, and one thing we will say is we're a little bit more expensive than the competition. Is that correct?
We are a little more expensive than the competition, but we back that up with quality and a lifetime warranty.
Right on. So we've had some guys ask us how we believe our shifter compares to the competition. We've done some in-house testing. We don't want to share any information about the in-house testing that we've done because we don't want to say anything bad about our competitors, but we're pretty proud of the components. And the majority of the components that are in this shifter are more expensive, which is why our price is a little bit higher.
That's correct. Even though we make everything in-house, it does cost a little more to manufacture this versus some of the competitors, the way they manufacture theirs, just because of the materials we're using and the processes we're using to put this out.
So great. So this is a awesome option for anybody who wants a more firm short throw and a better feel for a stock T-56 and an F body, all the way up to our 7-second grub worm, which runs our ultimate race transmission 4-speed. And right now we are doing a limited offer. So this shifter is on pre-order at the moment. We'll be shipping here in a few weeks. But if you order one during the pre-order period, you'll be entered to win a free shifter. So basically we will give you in-store credit that matches the full retail of this shifter if you order it during the pre-order period. There's nothing extra you need to do, just order one and then you'll be entered to win. We'd love to know y'all's comments, and any questions that you guys have, please leave them in the comments or check us out on social media, Tick Performance and tickperformance.com.